Doc John, what are you doing here?
I think you know what I'm doing here. There's only one person that interests us both. Let me take Angela back to the U.S. with me, Francis. I can make her intelligent.
And then what? You want to take all the credit for curing and rehabilitating her? I don't think so, John. Angela's my patient.
It's your choice. You either share credits with me or I take them all to myself alone. I can have your license revoked, Francis.
Come on, John. What are you talking about? How do you intend to do that?
By exposing all the unethical treatment you did to Angela.
Unethical treatment? How do you know about that?
Money talks, Francis. Now it's up to you to decide. But I'm only in town for a few more days, so better think fast.
Bakit? Nakakala ba niya hindi ko kayang gawin yon? Sira ulong Dr. John yun. Pero mo pare, takutin pa ako. Tatanggalan daw ako ng lisensya.
Totoo ba yun? May ginawa ka bang hindi dapat?
Ginawa ko ang dapat kong gawin para gumaling si Angela. At nakita niyo naman yun, hindi ba? Kaya pare, kahit anong mangyari, huwag niyong ibibigay si Angela. Ako lang ang doktor niya.
Sige pare, makakaasa ka. Ay, siya nga pala, may nakarating sa akin na may nangyari daw sa inyo ni Calvin. Hinahinay ka lang sa pagdidisiplina. Thank you.
Pare, maraming salamat sa pagtanggap ninyo kay Angela, ha? Pansamantala lang naman ito. Siya nga pala, ba't wala pa si Angela?
Lumabas sila ni Elmo, pero papauwi na yan.
Ano? Maunan na lang ako.
Sige.
Maraming salamat.
Ako na bahala kay Angela.